Hello, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video tutorial from Chooks. I'm your Forex instructor. Yes, today I want to teach us a very important topic called risk management. And the aspect of risk management I'm going to teach us today is position size calculator. I want to teach you how to use the position size calculator to calculate your trade position size. Now, what does your trade position size mean? Your trade position size is your lot size that you apply in your trade when taking a trade, okay? Now, so guys, first of all, this is the setup I had for Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, okay, currency pair. So the setup, I have already done this. I've already marked up this chart and I've positioned myself to enter this trade using a pending order. Okay, we call a sell stop pending order. Okay, so guys, first of all, before you take a trade, first of all, you need to plan out your trade. You need to plan out a trade. That's what you will do after the markup of your chart. Okay. After marking up your chart, then you come and plan out your trade like this. Okay. The way I did in this notepad. So first of all, you need to say what is the direction of the trade you want to take. In this case, we want to do a sell, but it's going to be a sell stop order. That's a sell short pending order. Okay. Now, the other thing you bring out is your stop loss price. What is your stop loss price? Okay, you have to take it from here. All right. Now, you also put your take profit, even though we don't need the take profit to calculate the position size. Okay, we don't need the take profit, so that's why I didn't include it here. So when you bring out your stop loss price level, okay, you now calculate the number of pips from your entry. Okay, what is the number of pips of your stop loss from your entry price? So what you do, guys, is that, of course, this is a short trade. What that means is that your risk, your stop loss is going to be higher than your entry price. Okay, so what that means is that we are going to subtract your entry price from your stop loss price. So now, guys, if you look at this information I have here, you see that your stop loss is 0.5746. So to just do the subtraction, you have to remove the decimal points and pick only the whole numbers after the decimal point and subtract it from the other price. Okay, so in this case, you have to pick your what? You have to pick your stop loss 5731, then you subtract it from your entry pipe, sorry, your stop loss. This is your stop loss, sorry, 5746. Then you subtract the entry price 5731 from it, and you will get 15, and that 15 is 15 pips. That is, your stop loss is 15 pips away from your entry price. The other information you need to calculate your position size is your risk percentage. What is the percentage of the risks you want to take in this trade? Now, if you have a good trading plan, I advise you don't risk more than 1% of your account size in a single trade. Okay, so I sometimes, depending on your experience, you can use 2%. Okay, maximum. But if you're a beginner, you're just starting out, please use 1%. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using 1%. Okay, so and for 1% of our account size should give us what? Should give us $50. Okay, should give us $50. Okay, the position size calculator will calculate all this for us. We don't need to do this. Okay, so these are the information you need to plug into the calculation size, to plug into the position size calculator. So the next step we have to take here is to head over to a position size calculator of your choice. In this case, we're going to use the baby tips position size calculator. Okay, so when you head over to babytips.com slash tool slash position size calculator, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so guys, one thing is very important. I want to read this particular text, or this particular right up here on this page. It says one of the most important tools in a trader's bag is risk management. Proper position sizing is key to managing risk and to avoid blowing out your account on a single trade. So, guys, this is very, very instructive. This is very instructive, guys. So now let's head over to the position size calculator proper. Okay. So now the first field you fill out here is your account currency type. In our own case, it is dollar. But if your account is not in dollar, you can Click this drop down menu and select your currency type. Okay. Now, the next field is your account balance. In this particular example, we're going to be using $5,000 as our account size, okay? As our account balance. Now, after that, the next field is your risk percentage. We said we're going to risk 1%, okay? So you tap in one here, you tap, it will put this percentage for you automatically, okay? You hit your tap key to the next field. Now, your stop loss pips, we've already calculated it to be 15%, sorry, 15 pips. So you add 15 pips here, you type it 15 pips. Now, your currency pair, you click this drop down menu and select your currency pair. I've already selected it, that's why you see it here as Aussie Swiss franc, okay? Now, the next thing you do, because this is a cross currency pair, okay? Now, what you need, sorry, this is a minor currency pair as it were, one of the crosses anyway. So one of the things you need to do using this size calculation, sorry, using this position size calculator is for you to find out what the ask price is at the time you are taking this data. Okay, so you have to use either your MT4 or your MT5 to do that calculation because for you to use TradingView, you have to be logged onto a particular broker server. Okay, which I'm not logged onto any server here, so I have to head up to my MT4 to do that calculation. So guys, what you do is here, you just come to your market watch and you go to Aussie Chef. This is your ask price. Okay, in this particular period, we're taking this data. It is 0.5742. Okay, 0.5740. Okay, 0.5740. So you come back here and you type it 0.5740, okay, 0.5740. Just choose a random because you can see the number is moving. Just choose any closest one that you can pick, okay? That will do the magic. So you just come here and hit your calculate, okay? It will now calculate your position size and throw out all this information for you, okay? So guys, you can see that I've done this calculation before. So, but you still get the same information. If you doubt me, you can refresh this, okay? You can refresh this, come to type your account balance 5,000, okay? Come to type your risk is 1%, your stop loss pip is 15%, you hit your tab key. It's the currency pair is Aussie Chef, okay? So you come here and select your currency pair you want to trade, okay? Let's look for Aussie Chef, okay? Then the current USD Chef Ask price, you go to MetaTrader 4 and you pick that information here, okay? This is the Ask column, okay? You come and pick 0.5740, 0.5740, okay? 0.5740, okay? 0.5740, okay? That's the approximate position. And you hit your calculate. When you hit your calculate, it will just shun out the numbers for you. Okay. The most important number for us here is the standard lot. Okay. So what that tells you is that you are going to use 19 mini lot size, which is 0.19. Okay. That's why you're going to key in into your trading app like your MT4 and whatever trading application you're using. So you leave these last two digits, you don't use it. You use the first two digits and ignore the last two digits, okay? So in this case, you can round it up to 0.20, okay, or you just key in this 0.19 to use your strict position size, okay? Now, so guys, that's how you do that. You come over to your MT4, okay, you right click on your chart, you go to trading, you select new order, okay, this is where you come to put in that information, 0.19, okay? Your position size, your lot size is your volume. Okay, so when you have put in this number, you have taken care of risk management, guys, in your trade. Then, of course, you come here and fill in all the other information. Is a pending order, you come here and select pending order. Okay, I don't need to teach us all this. Most of you who are my students, you know how to do all this. Okay, so you enter your entry price here and you hit your place. Boom. The market will just the system will just take the trade for you. Okay, so guys, that is all I have for you in this video. I've taught you this particular risk management aspect of trading because it is very, very important how to calculate your lot size or your position size. Okay, so that you can adhere to proper risk management when you're trading. Okay, so what that does is that when the market hits your stop loss, because of the size of your position, because of the size of the market you took, you can only risk $50 in that trade. Okay, you can only risk what? You can only risk $50. Okay, now this amount is a function of your account size. Okay, if you decide to use 2%, you can see the figure will increase. Okay, if you use 2% and just calculate, you see that your risk will reduce to increase to $100. Okay, so but what I advise for you know for new traders, if you're a newbie, you're just starting out trading, please don't risk more than 1% of your account balance. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope this helps. Okay, if you have any question to ask me, please just hit me up on the Telegram channel. I'll respond to you very quickly, or you go to the YouTube channel. Okay, and make some comments there and ask a question. Then be sure that I will get back to you at the shortest possible time. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from this. Thank you very much. Until next time, have a blessed day and bye bye.